What makes a car safe?
There's plenty that goes into making a car safe. For us, we want the cars to have a strong structure, so it protects you inside the car and your mum and your dad, but we also want a car to have some active safety features. We want to make sure they go into the mix to make a 5-star car.
I love stars, and because you're being so nice, I think I should give you a star.
Thanks, Indiana.
How do I find out how safe Mum's car is?
Pretty easy. Come and have a look on the ANCAP website. Do you know what sort of car she drives?
Kia.
A Kia. K-I-A. And there we go. We can see all of the ratings for all of the Kia models. Can you see your mum's car there?
This one.
Excellent. And how many stars has it got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Excellent. So there you have it. Now you're both crash test experts.
So we can give ourselves 5 stars?
You sure can.